Looks like we're going to have to crush a crawly or two to get by.
Gate! We will have halt! Intruder! Holy Saint Simeon, it is the pirate! Hulking monstrosity! How dare you profane this place with your hairlessness? For this affront, you will now taste Monkistan steel! Guards! The commander!
To the Queen!
Visitors? How unexpected and how marvelous. Who sent you? Ah, my dear in-law, you've come about the plan. Too late. There is no plan. Not now. This queen has no pawns left. If Eleanor is free, then Zenda is the center of the opposition now. I cannot go with you. One more thing before you go. I have a final chess piece. Here, a knight.
Of course, my queen. Captain, I pledge myself to your crew, body and soul.
Captain! I hope you do you like what we've done to the place? This is terrible news from Queen Catherine. I had hoped there is an ancient treasure. The monkey's paw. I don't know where the paw is, but Mon Quixote, Lord of La Mancha, he does. You are all the fleet we have. It falls to you to go.
I thank you for my freedom, human, but I fear you've left us in a bind. I have a solution if you're willing to help. Lemonade! That cool, refreshing drink. I'd hate to see our revolution wither from thirst. Could you go get some lemonade?
Sorry, Giant, but I'm fresh out of lemonade. The renegade conquistadors have been stealing cargoes of fruit and dumping. Get crates of lemons from the Skyway, sugar from royal ships, and water canteens from my friend Felipe Arias.
While sailing towards St. Benova's monastery, I fell under attack. I tried to secure my I could see fit to offer a little gold if you gather my cargo from Conquista Skyway.
La Mancha is saved! The giant and his reptilian minions shall never again this glad I am to see a fellow. I hear you, shining one.
Highway. You must forgive my master. He is not the same since the paw. What have you... The monkey's paw? Oh, it is a dangerous thing indeed, my tall friend.
Stanza! We must prepare for the festival of daffodils. Go and acquire 80 purple spoons immediately.
Of course, my lord. You do not know the tale. Let me tell you of the monkey's paw and the... The monkey's paw is a sacred relic. The preserved hand of Saint Bonzo the Unfortunate, martyred no less than 3 times during the Great Reconciliation of the Holy Church. Blessed by the first banana tree, Bonzo worked many miracles before his 3rd and final death. After his death, Bonzo's hand was fixed to the end of a golden scepter and retains miraculous powers to this day. Any Mokistan who holds it may make 3 wishes, which are granted by divine grace. But if their soul is not pure, their wishes will bring them despair instead of happiness. So it was with my master. Mon Quixote, a retainer of the Lord of La Mancha, undertook a great quest to find the paw. After many trials, he found the relic and brought it back to La Mancha. He was tasked to bring the paw to his lord, but could not resist temptation. He made 2 wishes, and despair followed. For his first wish, my master asked for 1 million bananas. He was hungry, you see. For his second wish, my lord sought power. He wished to become a Don, a lord. He wished to become Don Quixote. But this did not happen. Instead of Don Quixote, he became Don Quixote, transformed from a Monquistan into a donkey. The transformation drove him mad. But that was just the beginning of the troubles. 1 million bananas. This is an unimaginably rich hoard. Word spread quickly that La Mancha had a priceless heap of bananas, and every lord in Moquista came to claim a share of the treasure. The war that followed devastated La Mancha, leaving it empty and without a lord. Thus, you find it and my master. My lord, he still has one wish left. The paw could return him to... The paw was lost in the great battle that ravaged... Or perhaps Antonio de Miranda might know. He fought here, but later laid down his arms and became a hermit. Seek him at St.
Exit's there, but how are we supposed to get to it?
Here, pull that lever. I reckon it'll open the gates.
Wrong gate!
Enough yammering. Let's go this way. Maybe there's another lever. See? I knew there'd be another. Scatter the blood bats and we can give it a try.
But it looks like we have some more levers to find.
Beware, we be disturbing an ancient evil. The evil spirit be gone. This place is clean.
There's another lever. Who designed this place?
monkeys mean to keep us away from the next lever, Captain. We'll have to fight our way through.
There's the lever.
Giant, you trespass in my domain, and you will pay for your bold audacity. Get them, my soldiers!
Showed him. Now, pull that lever and we can be done with this dusty place.
At last, the rat speaks true. The way is open, Captain.
Conquista City, here we come! We made it!
What is this? A human? In my library? How extraordinary! I know who you are, pirate, but don't worry. You have nothing to fear from me. The crown reviles you to hide their own embarrassment. Shameful!
You are no buccaneer, but you can still learn to fight. Find me on Skull Island. Are you afraid?
Why have you come to my library? Saveda's history. You can get in a lot of trouble. Brother Tito has a copy of the book, I believe. He would be willing to lend it to me in return for a book of verses. A book Don Elanda has. So, take this book to Don Elanda. Take the book he gives you to Brother Tito. Wait! I forget. You are the enemy of all Monquista, yes? Take a mask from the cabinet. Hide your face and nobody will suspect a thing.
You come from the library? I can see why Jerome hired you. You can reach the tallest shelf. Jerome inquired after a book of verses. I have it here. Those excellent. Run along now.
Great son, you have the stature of a titan, my child. What? You come from the library? Ah, you seek a certain historical volume. Go to Dan Salmanco and offer him the volume you would have given me. Walk in the shade of the holy tree, my child.
You are
Very tall. Good. Here is the book he asked for. If anyone asks, you didn't get it from me.
Here it is. Saavedra's crown.
It was Martin Valvida who lifted the great relic of Saint Banzo from the battlefield. And Martin set sail with his two brothers aboard the Cornelius. They never reached their home in Gibonia.
There you have it, pirate. The Valvida brothers took the monkey's paw and were lost in Diablo Cut. It must still be there.